The verse is simply saying Kundala Shri. So the simple external translation is beautiful ornaments. But now he describes how beautiful they are. There's a whole group of sentences here describe the beauty. His earrings are very beautiful. They're beautiful when they're completely visible. And what kind of beauty do they have when they're partially visible? And what kind of beauty do they have when they're completely covered by locks of Krishna's hair? And what type of beauty and what type of lila is being revealed when Krishna's earrings are totally stationary, non-moving, and when they're slightly moving or completely agitated. In this way, Krishna's earrings reveal various types of beauty, Shri, which means they reveal various types of pastimes with Srimati Radharani. Because Shri is beauty, and Shri is opulence, and beauty and opulence combined in a form which is the Lila Shakti of Krishna, is Radharani, and he engages in Lila with Radharani.